Okay, we pulled off the road because of the flash flooding, and we're on walkie-talkie talking back and forth. What was that?
Did you just want to wait for a few minutes, see if it improves at all?
It doesn't look like it's going to get any better, and we're actually only. No, what I was going to say was we're only a couple of miles away from one of the side road exits to the interstate. Yeah, one of the exits that gets us to the interstate is probably maybe 3 or 4 miles up the road.
Yeah, it's not very far, but I don't know if the interstate would be any better in this kind of shit, you know?
That is true, yeah. The good news is the park ranger that I talked to when we came in, I asked her if she had heard of any serious stuff, and she said that their weather radio never went off, so this is just a flash flood that's typical of Badlands. Yeah, and this apparently happens all the time at Badlands. Hey, we could be camping right now.
Yeah, no shit. It does look like it's letting up a little bit, but let's just get it a few minutes.
I am in no hurry. Awesome. I'm disappointed I don't see any of my bison.
What's that, man?
I'm disappointed. I want to see my bison.
Yeah, I don't know if you're going to see it now.
No, they're in hiding. You can't see anything.